Hey, curious minds, and welcome. Today, we're going to go on this incredible adventure deep, deep inside our own bodies to solve a mystery you've probably never even thought about. And that is, how do we breathe? I mean, it happens all the time, right? But how does it actually work? Let's find out.
So to guide us on this awesome trip, we're going to use a lesson from a fantastic science teacher, Mr. Saad Lab. And he's got a message just for you. He says, we are going on a fun journey. Are you ready? Oh, I am so ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's kick off our journey with that big question. How does breathing really work? Now, you might think it's your lungs doing all the heavy lifting, but get this. There's actually a secret superstar working behind the scenes.
That's right. Your lungs are totally amazing. But here's a super fun fact for you. They can't move all by themselves. Nope. They're kind of like these big, powerful balloons that need a super helper to fill them up and then let the air out. So, who is this mysterious helper?
Well, it is time to meet the main player. You know how every great story has a hero? Well, the hero of our breathing story is a really powerful, hardworking muscle. And here it is. Our hero is called the diaphragm. Say it with me. Diaphragm. It's this big, dome-shaped muscle, kind of like an upside-down bowl, that sits right underneath your lungs. A good way to think about it is like it's the floor of your chest, and it is absolutely the most important muscle for breathing. Okay, so let's follow our hero on its first big mission, its first quest, and that is taking a big breath in. This is called inhalation. Come on, everyone try it with me right now. Take a really big, deep breath in. So what just happened when you did that? Well, first, your diaphragm moved down, kind of flattening out, and that made the space inside your chest get bigger. And because there was all this new room, air from the outside just rushed right in to fill up your lungs. Did you feel your chest get bigger? That was your diaphragm at work. So cool. And this is the whole reason we breathe in. Your lungs fill up with a super important gas called oxygen. Oxygen is basically fuel for your body. It gives you all the energy you need to run around on the playground, to jump super high, and it even helps your brain think really hard in class. Awesome. But, what goes in must come out. So let's check out the next part of the cycle and see how our hero gets all that old air out. This is the diaphragm's second quest, the big breath out. You might also hear it called exhalation. Okay, everybody, let it all out. Whoosh. This time, the complete opposite happened. Your diaphragm just relaxed and moved back up into its dome shape. This made the space in your chest get smaller, and that gave your lungs a little gentle squeeze. And that squeeze, it pushed all the old air out. So what is this old air we're pushing out? Well, it's carrying a waste gas called carbon dioxide. You can think of it like your body's trash. When your body uses up all that oxygen fuel, it makes this waste gas, and breathing out is how your body takes out the trash. So it's in with the good fuel and out with the trash. Okay, let's put it all together real quick. When you breathe in, the diaphragm moves down, your chest gets bigger and air rushes in. And when you breathe out, the diaphragm moves up, your chest gets smaller and air gets pushed out. See, they're perfect opposites, working together like a team all day, every day. All right, you guys have been fantastic listeners. I think you're ready for a little challenge. Yep, it is time for a quick quiz to see what you've learned about our breathing hero, the diaphragm. Okay, here's your question. Have a look and finish the sentence for me. The diaphragm rises up during the process of, and it lowers down during the process of, what do you think? I'll give you a second. And the answer is exhalation and inhalation. That's right. The diaphragm rises up when you breathe out, and it lowers down when you breathe in. Did you get it? I bet you did. Awesome work. So let's just remember the heroic work of your diaphragm. It is a powerful dome-shaped muscle. It moves down to let good air in. It moves up to push old air out. And maybe the most amazing part of all, it's always working for you. Even when you're fast asleep, it never takes a break. Your diaphragm is just one of the thousands of amazing helpers inside your body, all working hard every single second. So, my final question for you is this. What other amazing parts of your body do you want to learn about next? The journey of discovery is just getting started. Thanks for exploring with us today.